kuna ICU njeru twakite na itanda 13 na tuona na itanda ICU njega na kuria arwaru mekuo. Tuna HDU high dependency unit na ne twamehingura tene tugurite machine cia kidneys ingi tuongereire na cio ne twacihingura. Kwina twin theater turathondekire ta county government na ne twamehingura. Ambassador wa South Korea na twete machine cia kurora mwiri thiini nacio ne twacihingura na ne ciambĩrĩirie wĩra already na ni aturehera masks na sanitizers. Wale ambao walikuwa na haribu jina yetu ya kwamba hatujanunua vitanda waje waone vitanda, waguze, wakitaka kulala walale, waone ya kwamba kweli tumenunua hizo vitanda na ziko ICU inafanya. Akitaka kuvuta oxygen iko atapewa bure free of charge. Mbeca cia COVID itiareirwo 89 million na nyonge ile 11 igwakinya million igana rimwe itwaka center ya kurora mirimu thini wa county ino itu nigetha tutokorwo twithii na mbere. Ni twaka cancer center thini wa thibitari no JM cancer center jeru ikosti milioni 50 ndaruta nuthu na president witaruta nuthu nituko tukimirikia na already scan machine ile atwahirwo ni president already ndaruta wera thini wa thibitari itu na twaka JM hospital thibitari ya itanda 500 jeru ikahingura ga break ground kana gaja muthingi mweri 18 mweri wa 6 nitunete contractor na tuna mbeca thini wa budget na turameka na thirikari itu nene county government nekete already milioni 300 thini wa budget ile tukwata kuhuthira guthondeka thibitari yo iguko ya kipeke thini wa county ya Nyandarua tondu mo iguko tutiri thibitari itu ne yatigirwo Nyahururu ne twere tutoreke JM hospital iko level 6 na iko na referral.
Our patients who need that type of care to Nakuru and other counties, today we are seeing most of them here, and we are even receiving patients from other counties for ICU care. Your Excellencies, the theatre unit is a very important unit that we have commissioned today. We used to have just a small theatre at the most of operations were being referred. So we are grateful.